Assalamualaikum. For the introduction of computer information system in client, it is the use of information technology for financial reporting and operational. Most of the data nowadays is stored electronically, meaning that there is a minimal or no need for physical documents to be printed out. It helps to improve efficiency but also introduce new challenges for data security and accuracy. Auditors are required to understand how CIS affects a company's internal control systems. This is crucial for ensuring that the data is accurate, reliable, and compliant with regulation. The next is introduction for computer-assisted audit techniques. When CIS is heavily used in the audit environment, it affects the nature, extent, and timing of the auditor's work. The auditor need to adopt new techniques and rely more on technology to review data and controls. Many audit firms now provide their staff with laptops and specialized audit software to assist in their tasks. These tools are used to prepare various documents like working trial balance, lead schedules, tax computations, and more. The software can be used for conducting analytical procedures where data is analyzed to detect trends or inconsistencies. Auditor also can download client data files and perform extensive procedures by selecting specific data and performing various tests such as reasonable tests.
The objective of the auditor is to identify and assess the risk of material misstatement, whether due to frauds or error, at the financial statement and assertions levels, through understanding the entity and its environment, including the entity's internal controls, thereby providing a basis for designing and implementing response to the assessed risk of material misstatement. Auditor is to perform sufficient audit work to gather sufficient audit evidence to enable them to arrive at appropriate audit conclusions. Next is characteristics of computerized accounting systems that includes needs for special expertise. To use a computerized accounting systems, workers need to know about accounting and how to use the software. This may require special trainings or hiring people with these skills. Lastly is changes in processing financial data. A computerized system processes data faster and in real time. This speeds things up but requires users to get used to new ways of entering and checking financial information.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Khairul Nizam. My matrix number is 07DAT22F1028. I will present about computer information system environment. A computer information system environment exists when a computer of any type or size is involved in the processing by the entity of financial information of significance to the audit, whether that computer is operated by the entity or by a third party. Example of computer information system environment is accounting data now includes electronic equivalence of general ledger, subsidiary ledger, electronic funds transfer, invoice, contracts, and other relevant information of which only available in electronic forms. Other examples of computer information system is electronic message, which is email, may replace certain source document such as purchase order. There are three challenges for auditor in auditing in computer information system environment. First, an entity and its clients or suppliers use communication link to transact business electronically. Second, sometimes electronic evidence may exist for only a short time. Last but not least, unable to retrieve if backup files does not exist.
GIS environment. A GIS environment exists when a computer of any type or size is involved in the processing by the entity of financial information of significance to the audit, whether the computer is operated by the entity or by a third party. The overall objective and scope of an audit does not change in a GIS environment. The auditor should have sufficient knowledge of the GIS to plan, direct, and review the work performance. For example of GIS environment is accounting data now includes electronic equivalence of general ledger, subsidiary ledger, electronic funds transfer for payment or receive monies, invoice, contract, and other relevant information of which only available in electronic forms. For other example is electronic message email may replace certain sources documents such as purchase order. Next, in GIS environment, the electronic communication link between entities and clients or suppliers present challenges for auditors in the GIS environment due to limited electronic visibility and inability to retrieve backup files.